This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, January 1st, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We still have a northwesterly flow coming out of the Yukon, the Northwest Territories, Nunavut Province. Some energy moving through the plains and the Rockies. That'll be moving a storm system. That'll be the second piece of the Clipper system that came through yesterday. The second piece comes through today with a little more snow, mainly in the southern half to two-thirds of the state. Highs will be in the single digits and teens across the area, but then it just gets cold once again. The storm moves to the east. It takes the precipitation along with it. Winds out of the north. Temperatures below zero again. Highs struggling into the single digits here on Thursday. Friday temperatures will start out fairly cold, but will be likely rising before sunrise to the teens and 20s for highs here on Friday as winds turn southwesterly. It could be quite breezy. That could drop wind chills into the single digits. But this warm weather, or somewhat warm weather, doesn't last very long because another Clipper system comes here on Saturday with a little bit of light snow and flurry activity. Temperatures will likely be falling through the day on Saturday back toward the single digits, and then it's back below zero again. Sunday looks to be quite chilly with mostly to partly sunny skies, with highs maybe below zero in the north to single digits in the south. Lows Monday morning and again Tuesday morning will be in the teens below zero, maybe lower 20s below zero in the colder areas. Highs both Monday and even on Tuesday will struggle to reach above zero, except maybe in urban heat island areas. And then on Tuesday, maybe the southwestern counties could reach the single digits above zero. Otherwise, it's below zero everywhere else. Lake effect snow over the lakes. Any other precipitation will be over the northwest and South Texas and maybe South Florida. A week from today, next Wednesday, we have a bit of a flattening at this point. The flow will start to come more out of the west. We have some energy moving through the southwest and the Four Corners region, and that could be bringing us our next storm system maybe in about 8 days or so. And that could bring us maybe a little bit of snow activity by late Wednesday or late next Wednesday across the southern counties of the state. As we go into the extended period, here January the 12th, we have pretty much a west-east flow. It's a bit wavy. It's not overly amplified at this point. Some energy over the northeast, some over the northwest into the northern Rockies, and temperatures look to be near seasonal levels. My gosh, seasonal levels. Highs in the 20s, lows in near the lower to middle teens. Precipitation in the north and west. And then as we head to the end of the forecast on January the 16th, unfortunately, the seasonal weather doesn't last. The flow is back out of the northwest, back out of the Yukon and the Northwest Territories. And with some energy and a short wave just to our east, that means a fairly decent snow event could be taking place just to our east. It will have departed the area. High pressure will be just to the south of Kansas City. That means temperatures will likely be at or below zero again, with highs maybe in the single digits and lower teens. Satellite image from last evening, we had the subtropical jet over the south, bringing in some high and mid-level clouds there. The next piece of the Clipper system was off to our west. That'll be sweeping through the area later today with some light snow and some flurries. The watch warning map from last evening, some wind chill issues over the upper Midwest, some winter weather advisories from eastern and southeastern Iowa eastward into Ohio, and also across the northern Rockies. Elsewhere, fairly calm. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the precipitation around here about under 1/4 of an inch of liquid equivalent. Heaviest will be over the southeast and the Gulf Coast, with upwards of maybe up to an inch of liquid equivalent rain.